Hello! Now that you've successfully created a form as the framework for your app, let's take our workflow to the next level by incorporating operations and states. Operations are actions that could be performed on a record such as edit, duplicate, or transition to a different state. Records can be in different states within the workflow. For example, new, scheduled, or completed. By combining operations with states, we can create complex workflows without needing to write any code. We'll pick up where we left off in the previous video and create a set of operations and states in our Dispatch Technician app. Open the Configure tab. Select your Dispatch Technician app. Click on it, then select Customize. Go to the Operations tab. By default, there are 4 operations present in every app: Add New Record, View Record, Edit Record, and Delete Record. These can be freely edited and deleted, which we'll show you in a moment. However, there are more types of operations available. Let's have a look. Click Add Operation. We will add a Send Invoice operation, which will be useful in reducing manual data entry once a job is completed in our workflow. In the title field, type Send Invoice. You can optionally leave a comment on what this operation is used for in the Design Comment field. Specify a type for the operation in the Type drop-down. There are 3 kinds of operation types: record operations, file operations, and integration operations. For now, we will focus only on record operations. There are 7 types of record operations: add, delete, edit, duplicate, transition, view, and save as PDF. The duplicate operation copies records, saving the copy as another record. The transition operation moves the record from one state to another, and we'll get back to it soon. Choose Save as PDF, as this is what our Send Invoice operation will do. In Display Record in this layout, select Default. Currently, this is the only layout available to us. Layouts are fully customizable, and various layouts can be created to display only relevant information based on your design. In Operation is available in, tick the Default State checkbox. This is a state that is created as an example. You can create multiple states yourself, and we'll get back to the state creation process later. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Operation. Next, let's edit an already existing operation. Click Add New Record, then select Edit Operation. In the Title field, rename this operation to Assign Work Order. Click Save. Now, click on the States tab. By default, your records can only be in one state, which is the default state. Let's create some additional states to improve the functionality of our app's workflow. Let's define a scheduled state for those records which are already assigned to a certain technician, and a completed state for the finished assignments. Click Add State. In the State Name field, type Scheduled. Select an appropriate icon for this state. For a better user experience, you have the option to leave a design comment and also choose to view records in this state in a predefined style. For now, we'll leave ours as standard default. Click Save State. Repeat the procedure by adding a second state, which is Completed. Again, select an appropriate icon and style for the state. Now we have to go back to the Operations tab to create 2 transition operations, which will allow us to move the records between our newly created states. In order to move the record from default state to scheduled state, we'll begin with creating a schedule operation. Click Add Operation. In the Title field, type Schedule Job. Select Transition from the Type drop-down. Display this record in Layout should be set to Default, which is currently the only layout we have. In Operation is available in, tick only the Default State checkbox. This is to ensure that you will be able to use this operation only in default state to reduce potential confusion and user error. In after operation execute state is, select the default state as scheduled. Click Save Operation. Now, repeat the operation creation process by creating another operation, completed. This also should be a transition type operation, but when choosing the states where the operation will be available, tick Scheduled. And in after operation execute state is, select the default state as completed. Click Save Operation. Finally, adjust other operations so that the edit record, view record, delete record, and send invoice can be used in different states. Click Edit Record, then select Edit Operation. Under Operation is available in, tick the Scheduled checkbox. Save the operation. Repeat the steps for Delete Record operation. Edit View Record operation. Tick both the Scheduled and Completed checkboxes under Operation is available in section. Click Save Operation. Lastly, edit the Send Invoice operation and tick only the Completed checkbox. Save the operation as well. Click Publish at the top right of your screen. Now click on the Portal tab and find your Dispatch Technician app. Click on any of the records you created and see how they can now be moved from their default New state to Scheduled, and then again to Completed. Notice that the icons you chose for your different states indicate at a glance which state a record is in. Later on, we will go over further ways to view and sort records to make them easier to identify. Congratulations! You can now create operations and states to create more complex apps with more sophisticated workflows. Follow us to the next video where you'll learn how to use layouts to better manage app workflows and improve user experience.